back with another one. Okay, so we're doing the So Jolly Quilty Ornaments, and we're actually doing the little coffee mug with the little star block on it. I am doing one a little bit different. Hers is pink and red. I didn't like all of the pink. I've got a lot of pink and red, so what I'm doing is I love this fabric. So instead of where the red is, I'm using this, and this is a pink and red, so that's kind of what I'm doing. I changed it up, and my handle is not gray. It is actually the brown, as you can see. So, okay, so first thing we're going to do is we are going to sew around this whole, sew around the whole thing. Okay. Thread. I said this was the little iron was going to be my last one for a little while, and then I started cutting on this one. I was like, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and just do this. Where did my little, there it is right here. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to cut this into, where did my, cut it. And we are going to press, it doesn't say, I guess I'm going to press towards the red or the diagonal, the pink, not the diagonal. Well, no, I'm going to press towards the green. So I think that's where, it says to press. So I'm going to press towards the green. Of course, mine's green, but in the pattern it's red. And remember, y'all can do whatever like colors you want to on these. Y'all don't necessarily have to do all of them. I'm doing mine I'm kind of sticking to the main color for the most part, but I had a lot of blues. I was going to do a blue, but then I remember my background, so I was like, no, I don't want to do too much blue. This had a tad bit of, it's got, of course, a lot of green, but it had a tad bit of red in it too. That's another reason why I decided to do this. Okay, so I'm going to actually spin y'all around because I've got to trim these up. So I need my square. Can y'all see what I'm doing here? Move y'all over just a little bit. There we go. Okay, so now I've got to trim. I love when you have a lot to be able to cut off. Makes it a little easier. Okay, there's that one. And remember to always be aware of your blade. I'm going to have to trim that up just a tad bit more. Hold on, I got to trim this other side. Again, something happened. Okay. I feel like it's much later in the day than it already actually is. I feel like it should be like 1 o'clock, but it's not, I think barely 11. What? Yeah, but you need to clean out from under your bed and all that clutter. Okay, so there we have those for her. My iron is smelling. Okay, so I'm gonna spin y'all back around. I'm not trying to make y'all dizzy or anything. Fix y'all back. Okay, I'll raise y'all just a little bit. There we go. Okay, so now we have these 4 here. Now what we're going to do is we are going to make our little pinwheel block like that, okay? So we're going to sew these. I should turn those over. Just because, like I said, I don't like starting with all that bulk right there at the front. Okay. So this one, it don't really matter which way you press. Just make sure you press where the seams are going to nest. So you're going to press this way here. Okay, I'll press that way there. Okay, they're not wanting to. You're going to want to fight me. Okay, so there's the top. Yeah, there we go. Okay, I'm going to make sure those are going to nest beautifully. Just take your time. Line this one up. And I'm actually going to press this open because there is a lot of bulk there. And it says to press one way. I'm actually going to press it open though because there is a ton of bulk. So there's a lot of bulk. Probably could have pressed those little things open, but man. You know what? I'm actually going to kind of snip just a little bit. If it'll snip, the way it'll open up. I'm not snipping a bunch, just kind of snipping, not through the thread, just to where those will kind of lay. Let the iron, okay, I'm going to put a little bit of starch right there. Hold on, I'll show you in just a second. I'm going to let my iron stay on there, and then I'm going to put my clapper on there, and then I'll show you all the rest. Okay, next we're going to take our B and our little E squares. Make sure they're straight. That right there is killing me. It keeps moving my fabric. You're going to see me get frustrated in a second because that tape. With the bigger pieces, it really doesn't matter. But with these little bitty pieces, it can totally like throw it off kilter. Okay, we're going to do the same thing to the other end. So we're going to do this thing here. Okay, press towards the brown. Okay, so here is my little I love pinwheel blocks. What? Well, not right now. Vacuuming should be the last thing you do. Isn't that cute? I love the green. Okay, so we're going to put that up here. Now we're going to start with, I need G. Which one is G? Okay, so G is going to be my bigger one. And I need 2 blue squares. Go clean. If you need it, use it. She waits until I get in here and get busy. Okay. Corner to corner. Same thing here. Corner to corner on this side. Actually, go ahead and do this one as well. This is going to be the little handle. Okay, corner to corner. Okay, same thing, corner to corner. Okay, both of these are going to be pressed towards the blue. Okay, trim these off. Okay. So we have, wait, I'm missing, where am I missing 2 of my, oh, I was supposed to make 2 of these. Was I? Wait a minute. Oh, I was supposed to make 2 more of these. I was supposed to cut 1 more of these. Dadgummit. Okay, hold on. Hold on, y'all. Just give me a minute. I don't know what I was doing, what I was thinking when I was cutting these, but obviously. Do I not have another smaller piece? I hate to cut because I hate to cut some of this just because it's just too. because it's such a short, like it's a long piece, but it's really, really skinny. It's only 3/4 of an inch. So it's one of those where it's like, dadgummit. Okay. I think maybe that's why. Because I was like, why do I have extra? What am I doing? I was supposed to cut another one of these too, wasn't I? Oh, yes, I was. Yes, I was. Y'all, I'm just all over the place. So that needs to be 3.5. Okay, hold on. I swore I checked all of that, but I didn't. These pieces are a little bit larger than some of my others, just because they're longer. So, okay. Now, hold on. Okay, now I need to make another one of these. That's why I had 2 extra. I was going, what did I do? Like, why? Of course, I had a phone call, and then Cadence come in here, and so my mind, sometimes I just can't do 2 things at once. What? No idea. Okay. Okay, I'm going to press both of these towards the blue again, if I can do it correctly this time. You know, leave it to me, get excited, and then not got enough pieces of fabric. Okay, I've already cut that one. Which one were these? This was G, and it's supposed to be 3.1 inch. Okay, hold on. I need to trim this down because that one is sticking way out there. Like way. Okay. Now we're going to start assembling all of this, okay? So we have, hold up, this here, this here, this here. Okay, first let's chill for a second. Okay, so let me put my sides. I don't want to mess this up. That block is so pretty. Okay, let me put this side here. Okay, press both top and bottom towards the top and bottom. I'm gonna trim this a little bit. I think I may need to. Yeah. Just a hair, just a smidge. Okay, now we're gonna put the tops and bottoms on here. No, we're not. Yeah, we are. So wait a minute, what am I doing wrong? Okay. And this is, I'm going to press outside, so tops and bottom again. I'll go plug it up. Go charge it. Okay. Okay, let's go shut the doors. Come here, Chase. Y'all, I'll be right back. Hold on. Okay, there. Sorry, y'all. When she starts barking, I gotta make sure the doors, because I don't want her scaring the mail lady. But nobody's here yet, so I don't know what she's barking at. You think she'd be a good guard dog? No, she's not. She runs scared. My German Shepherd, on the other hand, is different. Her, no, she's a little chicken dog. Okay, so now we're gonna sew these two together. Okay, we're gonna press towards the outside. Okay, so there's a little mug so far. I'll trim this up when I'm done. Okay, press this, put this on the bottom part. Press towards the blue. And then put this. Okay, you know what? I said press, but then it's wanting to nest. So I'll actually, okay. I'm gonna make them nest. So I'm actually gonna flip that one back up. Come on. I don't want to flip up for me. Okay. Press this. Get that print. Okay, then. And I think it's done. Let me just spritz it a little bit with starch. This has got a ton of seams. That I'm going to, oh, sorry, y'all. It looks a little crooked to me. You know what You know what I did? No, wait, what? I didn't do it wrong. It looks wrong. Oh, this isn't a cup. It's a tape measure. Oh, goofball. Hush, Cadence. Oh, I was like, wait a minute. This handle is like way off kilter. What is going on? Well, no, it's not a handle. I can be a little bit of a airhead sometimes, so just bear with me. I was wondering what a coffee mug was doing. I was like, what? I don't understand. But it had a quilt block on it, so I was like, well, maybe. But it's not a coffee mug. Okay, there we go. So it's a tape measure. I was looking up here going, wait a minute, why is the handle way up here and not right here? Because it's a tape measure. So here's our little tape measure with a little quilt block in the middle. So what do y'all think? And I'm glad, that makes me even happier that I chose that now instead of just the gray. But yeah, this is a tape measure. I feel like a goofball. So I like the choice that I did with the green in the middle. I really like that. Because I thought about doing this and then another, like a deeper red. I feel like because this had red in it, like this had red and pink. This is red and pink. This is like the red checkered, and this is red. I wanted to give it a little bit more color. I have a tiny green here and a tiny green here. And so I wanted to do something else. So I thought that was I like that. So y'all have to let me know what y'all think. I hope y'all are having a wonderful time, and I will see y'all next one. Bye, y'all.